Today we're gonna cook Spanish omelette, tortilla de patatas, and the ingredients we need is about 1 kilo of white potatoes, 1 big onion, extra virgin olive oil, that's the one I usually use for everyday cooking, carbonell, and then free-range eggs. Try to use a good eggs, organic or free-range preferably. So first what we need to do is peel all the potatoes. Just peel them. So we've nearly finished peeling all the potatoes. As I said, it's about 1 kilo. I use about 1 kilo per tortilla because I like the tortilla quite thick. Some people they don't like to use onion. They don't like the taste. They don't like the texture. But I really like with the onion. The omelette gets completely different flavor, much nicer. So we'll peel the onion as well. And now I'm going to chop the onion in small chunks. The onion doesn't need to be added to the potatoes till the potatoes are nearly cooked, so we don't worry about the onion at the moment. I like my potatoes a bit thick, and what I do, I don't chop it, like you won't see me going chopping in the chopping board. I'll break the potatoes, so I do a bit of like this with a knife. And break it, like that. And it doesn't matter if you get them different size, because some of them will be mashed, some of the other ones will be crunchy, some of the ones will be, as long as all of them are cooked, that's all matters. So we're nearly done with the potatoes. Okay, and as you can see, they're all broken, not cut, broken, and they pretty much similar size, but again, doesn't matter. One can be much bigger than the other one, it wouldn't matter. Okay? You have to use a fair bit of oil to deep fry the potatoes. We can recycle the olive oil again, so don't worry too much about using too much oil. While we're waiting for the oil to get hot, I'm gonna just chop the onion and get it ready to be added to the potatoes later. That's about the size that I quite like. The onion. The oil is getting hot already. You can feel it just by putting your hand like that. And what we do is we just add 1 potato and see if perfect. That's the temperature you want. You don't want too hot because they will burn straight away. So just add the potatoes. Okay. So get them cook slowly like that for a bit, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover the fry pan so they will get soft inside and crispy and golden outside. That's how we like it. Ready now to turn them, and as you see, some of them are already getting a golden color. What we want. So we'll leave them for another 4 minutes like that, and then put a lid on the onion, and now I'll cover the potatoes and the onion and put the gas in a low set. So leave it like that for a good 5-10 minutes. So now we get the lid off, and as you can see, the onion is gone transparent and the potatoes are cooked inside. So let's put the gas up, and they keep cooking, if you can see as well. So that's what we want. We want crispy on the outside, but still soggy in the inside. I haven't added any salt or pepper yet. I like to add once they cook. So that's the effect we want to get, and we don't want to burn the onion. There's plenty of oil here. We're gonna try to get as much oil as we can. We've got all the potatoes and the onion ready, and now is when I like to add a bit of pepper. Potatoes and onion cooked, as I said before, about 1 kilo and 1 big onion, and I like to use 6 eggs. Now 6 eggs, put a bit of a pinch of salt, and I like always to add a bit of milk, just a splash. Skinny milk for these things, because they don't taste the same, and it's only a tiny bit anyway I'll be using. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add the eggs to the potatoes and the onion. Okay, just add them in. That's it. It looks like it's too many eggs for the potatoes, but you will see how the omelette become. So now we're waiting for the fry pan to get hot. It has to be very hot. Let's try a bit. It is done. Done. Oh, that's lovely. So now what I'm gonna flip the omelette and get it cooked. Get a plate that is bigger than the fry pan, obviously, and just hold it firmly like that and flip it. Look at that. That's beautiful. And just and this is authentic Spanish home cooking. Tortilla de patatas a la María. Que aproveche, amigos.